Assalamualaikum. Hi, Monik.
Waalaikumsalam. Hi Dea. How's life?
Yeah, everything is fine. What about you?
I'm feeling the same with you.
It's been 1 month. We must learn from home.
Yes, and I hope soon we'll can be able to going to the campus like usual.
But Monique, why you look so confused?
Actually, I'm looking for a book today because I feel boring. As you know, we cannot going out and we need to stay at home. So, I think I will reading that book, but I cannot find it.
What book are you looking for?
That book about Harry Potter.
The book color is brown and it has picture of people which hold wand. Has it?
Yeah, that book look like that. And I even brought it to the campus.
Oh my god, I remember that book. I remember I borrowing your book when you're in the college. Before we must study from home because of COVID-19.
Are you serious? I've been looking for that everywhere. And that book's evidently brought by you?
Yeah, that's what happened. Please forgive me, Monique. I said to you I would return it after I read the book in the next week, but I forgot. I didn't mean to borrow your book so long time and making you so confused to finding it.
That's okay there. But next time, if you want borrowing my book or somebody book, you must return it on time.
Okay, Monique. I will never do that again. I promise.
That's good there.
The both watching a movie to spend your time. The title is Frozen 2, and I think that movie very interesting. And you can also get new vocabulary from there.
Yeah, that's good idea. Thank you.
Never mind. But Monique, I have end the call right now because I have to help my mother.
Okay, thank you. See you later.
See you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.